Packing for your mountain vacation, essential tips and checklist. Hello, fellow mountain adventurers and nature lovers. Planning a vacation in the mountains is an exciting escape to the great outdoors, but packing for such a trip can be a bit challenging. In this video, we'll provide you with essential tips and a comprehensive checklist to ensure your mountain getaway is comfortable, safe, and memorable. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Dress in layers. Mountain weather can be unpredictable. Pack clothing in layers to adjust to temperature fluctuations. Include moisture-wicking base layers, insulating mid-layers, and waterproof outer layers. Tip 2. Footwear matters. Invest in quality, waterproof hiking boots with good ankle support. Don't forget thick, moisture-wicking socks to keep your feet warm and dry. Tip 3. Safety essentials. Carry a basic first aid kit with bandages, antiseptic, pain relievers, and any necessary medications. Also, pack a small emergency kit with a flashlight, whistle, and a multi-tool. Tip 4. Hydration and nutrition. Bring a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated at high altitudes. Also, pack energy-boosting snacks like trail mix, energy bars, and dried fruits. Tip 5. Navigation tools. A map, compass, or GPS device is essential for safe mountain exploration. Familiarize yourself with the area and its trails before your trip. Tip 6. Sun protection. Mountain sun can be intense. Pack sunscreen, sunglasses with UV protection, and a wide-brimmed hat to shield your skin and eyes. Tip 7. Shelter essentials. Even for day trips, it's wise to carry an emergency space blanket or bivy sack in case of unexpected weather or delays. Tip 8. Sanitation supplies. Include items like hand sanitizer, toilet paper, and a small trowel for digging a cat hole for waste disposal. Tip 9. Communication devices. Cell phone service may be limited in the mountains. Consider a satellite communicator or two-way radios for group hikes. Tip 10. Wildlife awareness. Research local wildlife and pack bear spray or other deterrents if needed. Store food securely to avoid attracting animals to your campsite. Mountain vacation checklist. Clothing, layers. Hiking boots. Socks. First aid kit. Emergency kit. Water bottle. Snacks. Navigation tools. Sun protection. Shelter options. Sanitation supplies. Communication devices. Wildlife deterrents. Packing for a mountain vacation can seem overwhelming, but with careful planning, you can be well prepared for your outdoor adventure. Use this checklist and follow the tips to ensure your trip is safe, enjoyable, and unforgettable. If you found these tips and the checklist helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel advice, and share your own mountain packing tips in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and here's to an amazing mountain getaway.